Turning a new page, understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, turning a new page. This phrase is not just about books but has a deeper, metaphorical meaning in English. Let's unfold its significance together. First, let's break down the literal meaning of turning a new page. Imagine you are reading a book. When you finish one page, you turn to the next one to continue reading. This action is simple but signifies progression, moving forward from what was on the previous page. Now, let's explore the metaphorical significance of this phrase. In English, when someone says they are turning a new page, they are not talking about reading. Instead, they mean they are making a significant change in their life or starting a new chapter. It implies leaving the past behind and embarking on a new journey or phase in life. How is this phrase used in everyday language? You might hear someone say, "I'm turning a new page in my career," or, "After the divorce, she turned a new page in her life." It is often used to express positive change, hope, and renewal. There are variations of this phrase that carry the same meaning. For example, starting a new chapter, or beginning a new leaf. These variations are also common and used interchangeably with turning a new page. So, turning a new page is a beautiful idiom that signifies change, progress, and hope. It's a phrase that encapsulates the human experience of moving forward, embracing new beginnings, and leaving the past behind. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep learning, and remember, every day is an opportunity to turn a new page in your language journey.